channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is the third video in the Make It Up challenge. I've done 2 already. I will link those down below. Basically, if you guys don't know what it is, it's a makeup challenge. Every single week we have a new challenge. Well, you guys can't see the address here, but it comes in this box and then it's just gonna have rules and what we have to do. Last week, I did not win once again, you guys, but I need you guys to go leave my crown emoji. Go leave the emoji over on the judges' videos because that just encourages me and lets them know that you guys are rooting for me. So I need all the encouragement in the world right now. Honestly, like, I am not doing well. I think I'm in like last place. But you know what? Today we're coming out. We're not playing no more. We ain't playing. No, well, technically I am still playing like a game, a challenge game, but like, you know, like I am playing no more. Like I am gonna try to win today's video. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. Oh, where's my knife? All right, pink tissue per usual with some white, cute little Make It Up box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it says, let's glow crazy. In this challenge, you must create an editorial photo ready neon look fit for the Fashion Week runway. The rules, you must use exactly 10 products. Skincare does not count. You must use one of every type of product included in the challenge box. After your look is Fashion Week ready, you must do a New York Fashion Week street style shoot to post to your Instagram. The judges will consider this in their evaluation. Oh my, okay, I have to say that this is the most excited challenge that we've had, in my opinion. You guys, I have been getting so into the neon trend, so this is pretty exciting. And editorial, oh my gosh. Okay, so I feel like editorial could go so many different ways. When I think editorial, I think of Tyra Banks and I think of, what was that modeling show? America's Next Top Model, duh. So yeah, I think of America's Next Top Model and I think of like the craziest, just out of this world looks. I feel like I need to do something like pretty dramatic, like it has to be dramatic. I need to do something that I don't normally do. In the past, if you guys saw the other looks, I wanted to do stuff that was pretty wearable, that like I can wear, that's still pretty crazy, but I can wear out and about, and it ended up biting me in the butt. Obviously, like the judges don't want to see an everyday look. They want to see something crazy. So we have this NYX Ultimate palette with a bunch of different colors. We have these like vivid brights. It looks like they're, color creams. That's going to be helpful. We've got some eyeliners, some colorful ones. That's good. A blue mascara. Ooh, I am into some blue mascara. And then a eyeliner. It looks like a white eyeliner. Okay, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, brought you guys in closer. I got my water. Like I'm probably getting ahead of myself. You know what though? I realized this is the #1 thing, is that for one, it has been super fun. So I'm gonna continue doing that. Like I'm just gonna make it more fun. In the other challenges, I was kind of nervous. I didn't know what I was getting myself into. I mentioned that already, but now that like I've kind of got the hang of it after 2 challenges, I feel like it's all about having fun. I'm just gonna do something dramatic and crazy and something that I wouldn't ever wear. I wouldn't ever wear an editorial look out and about. So let's go ahead and start. I am gonna start with my eyes. I'll do my face later because I know we're about to get messy. Let's get messy. All right, let's start. I'm gonna need all the luck in the world. I'm taking some tape. This is gonna help me out. Keep a sharp line. Okay, it says we have to use one of every product, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start with this liner here. I'm gonna kind of just start applying it, but basically it's gonna be almost like a half and half, like glitter on top, and then it's super huge neon kind of cut crease. I don't know how to explain it. You guys will have to kind of follow along. So it's kind of just like a guide, since I am gonna put glitter on top, like I said, and shadow. Okay, then towards the top of it, I'm gonna go in with this super bright, like neon blues. This is probably the brightest color in this palette, which is why I'm gonna use it, since none of these colors are like a true neon, if you get what I'm saying. And I'm using the same little dense brush so that I have a lot of control. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the glitter. I'm not gonna add it to the entire eye. You guys will see I'm gonna use the blue that I kind of use as a rough guide, and I'm gonna take a tiny little brush so I stay just within the blue. It's okay if I go under too, because I will clean it up with some concealer and kind of cut it a little bit. I'm going to pack it on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing on the other side. I feel like this is the fun thing about editorials, that you can have cut crease, you can have something super sharp, or you can have something literally like all over the place. Editorial literally is like anything you want it to be. I cleaned off this brush and I'm gonna take some concealer. Now I'm going to actually kind of cut the defined super sharp line that I'm gonna do. This is not only gonna give me an outline, but it's also just gonna clean it up and allow the color to like actually pop through and be like ba-bam, neon in your face. Okay, here's the fun and tricky part. I'm basically gonna do like a massive wing. First, I'm gonna follow this since I have my guide here. I'm gonna take it up as far as literally my brow. And same exact thing on this side. So now for the huge wing, I'm definitely gonna stay down here in these colors because I'm going for like the greens, blues, and yellows. What color to go into? I'm gonna start with this dark green. I realized I think I'm gonna go like darker to light into this like super light baby blue over here. To intensify the inner portion, I'm taking this green color cream. So I'm gonna put this on the inner like third of the concealer. I'm gonna bring it in almost halfway because I am gonna put another color in the middle and then a third color on the outer part. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over that with this green here. Make sure it doesn't slide around and it's nice and vibrant. Then I'm gonna go into the green right next to it and transition it into the middle shade right here. This color is not as vibrant as I would have liked. It still looks really good though, and I like the way it's transitioning. Since we have to use everything in the box, I'm gonna use the white liner. I'm gonna bring it out and it's actually gonna be like a super defined crease here. Okay, you can barely see it, but it is adding that tiny little crease, separate the two colors. I decided against the sky blue. I'm gonna go in with the yellow because I realized if I use the sky blue, it's gonna look just like clustered blue, blue, blue. So I'm gonna do the yellow. I think that's gonna stand out more. It's gonna look really pretty. And I do have a yellow liner from a PR package, so that works out perfectly. Now I'm gonna actually go into the yellow shadow and make it even more vibrant and make sure it doesn't like move around and just stays in place. You guys, I'm totally getting like parrot vibes. I'm not sure if that's what I was going for, but you know what? I'll run with it. I'll run with it. I guess I'm looking like a parrot today, an editorial parrot. I'm gonna take these off now, work on my face makeup, and then come back and add everything else. Ooh, yeah, look at that sharp line. This is like the most satisfying thing to do. Are we looking like an editorial parrot yet? Face makeup is on, but I am gonna contour with different colors, and I'm also gonna add a lot of highlighter. Then right under that, I'm gonna take this baby blue. It has a little bit of a shimmer. I'm gonna put that like kind of under, and I am gonna blend it out. It's kind of looking like a frosty green highlight. And then below that, I am gonna go with the greenish, it's kind of like a lime yellow. It's just kind of blending and transitioning into the final shade, which will be the yellow again. Okay, last but not least, this yellow here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, but I am gonna make them extra bushy. I feel like when I think editorial, I always just think big, bushy brows. And that was one of the things, or one of the critiques that the judges said, was that I didn't like incorporate the brows with whatever the theme was. And I knew like they were so right. I was like, yeah, I know I didn't go crazy with my brows. I totally should have done like an 80s theme for the last one. So I'm gonna do it. I just want them to be super big and fluffy. I think of, what's that model with the huge brows? I can't think of her name. Okay, those are definitely some bushy brows. Okay, so back to my eyes. I think I'm gonna smoke out my waterline, but I'll start with the vibrant neon, and then if I wanna smoke it out, I can always go darker. If I like how bright and vibrant this is, then I'll just keep it. I'm gonna smudge that out with this turquoise color. I feel like I need to go darker, so I'm gonna go into this palette and grab this dark blue. I really wanna smoke it out because I am gonna add glitter down here also, so I really want the glitter to stand out against the dark colors. I am connecting the colors in here too. Also gonna add the glitter to the inner corner. So here's where I'm at. I'm not totally obsessed with the blue up here. I think I wanted to keep it just because of the whole neon thing, but I honestly want to just smoke it out. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go into this dark blue color that I have in this palette, and I'm going to smudge it out. So we're still going to keep the color. It's just going to be darker. And I'm also smudging it down into that glitter so that it's not as harsh. I thought I wanted it to be like a cut defined crease, but I think since I already have this defined liner here, it was just too much for me. Now I'm going to define the huge line with my eyeliner. I feel like this is definitely making it look more editorial. Clean up the lines. Okay, I'm gonna add mascara and lashes, then I'll be right back. Mascara and lashes are on. We are coming alive. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush again, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did on my cheeks and bring it around on my forehead. Then for another fun part, back into the glitter glue, and I'm gonna just kind of dab it around my face. Finally for lips, I'm going back into that neon teal turquoise color. I'm gonna line my lips, and then I'm gonna do kind of like an abstract, just gonna do funky stuff. So I actually want it to look kind of messy like this, almost like painted on. I feel like that looks like abstract-y and like high-end designer. The rules are to use everything in the box, don't think I forgot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my brows in place with the blue mascara. Now I feel like I'm ready for like a neon carnival or something. Who knows? I'm gonna fix my hair, put on my outfit, and then I'll be back. All right, you guys, so that completes this very out of this world editorial, kind of like Jeremy Scott fashion designer vibes look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Head on over to Awesomeness TV's YouTube channel, check out their judging sessions, go root for me, go leave my crown emoji. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and just had fun with this. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.